Riwruok mar jodak ma Nairobi koro dwaro mondo sirkand kaonti ma Nairobi ochung gedo mag ute duto madhi nyime kaonti no ni wira ni gero gi e tok chik. E bwo riwruok margi mong'ere kaka Metro Alliance, jodago koro tero sirkand kaonti ma Nairobi e doho ka giwacho ni nyaka ne kadh chik marango chano gedo e boma ma Nairobi 2019 nyaka sani. Sirkand kaonti no pok oketo gigo madwarore mondo chikno oti kare, gima kelo gedo ma oya e boma. Okinda nigi ler.
Orofa mabocho modhungore kendo migero kamoro amora kuom thuolo bora sani e chal mar kaonti ma Nairobi. En gino makoro miyo jodak ywak ni chal mar gedo makamano keto alwora kendo ngima oganda kama ng'aw. Riwruok mar jodak e kaonti ma Nairobi mong'ere gi nying mar Metro Alliance koro dhi e doho mar chungo chenro mag gedo mag orofa mabocho madhi nyime kaonti ma Nairobi wira ni timogi e tok chik.
The petition seeks judicial intervention to stop the ongoing illegal developments, to restore order in planning and development, and to protect the constitutional rights of Nairobi residents to a clean and healthy environment, public participation, access to information, and fair administrative action. Since the enactment of the Physical and Land Use Planning Act 2019, the Nairobi City County has failed to put in place the most basic statutory planning structures required by law. Failure to constitute the County Physical and Land Use Planning Consultative Forum, and this is mandatory under the law.
Kotene ko jakom margi Ndirangu wa Maina, jodak olero ni kata obedo ni gisebedo ka giketo twak monywako jodak ma Nairobi ma ok mor kod gedo madhi nyime, temo bede twak kod ten kaunti ma Nairobi ok osenyago olemo.
We as citizens and as Nairobi residents, we are doing our part to make Nairobi livable, sustainable, environment friendly, not only for us, but for future generations as well. Surprisingly, when we go to see the authorities, instead of meeting the same enthusiasm, we encounter hurdles, barriers, setbacks. And these people are the same people we are paying precisely to do the job.
Dich mar boma gi thuolo ni jodago wacho ni othungo i boma kendo jomodake kalo achiedh nade mathoth.
Nairobi is turning from green to grey. That's what's happening. The few green spaces that were there are quickly disappearing because of what we are doing. So on one end, government talks about tree cover, but on the other end, developments are being approved with no space for even a shrub. Even a shrub can't grow in that space because when you go under it, you realize there was a parking lot that was hitting beacon to beacon. It's unthinkable, it's unworkable.
When you look at the infrastructure around it, there are no proper roads. The sewage lines are all a mess. They were built in 1960s. The electricity, when they are brought up, you find that most of the time electricity does not even work. So you wonder who is planning and for what?
Kamano bende gilero ni gimor kod kaka sirikal ok dew ute migero maricho mamoko selwar kendo kawo ngima oganda.
Today, the funny thing, nobody is talking about the people who approved that structure in South Sea. All those guys are still working. That's how serious we are. Nobody has, actually, there is no action. In any other democracy, the governor himself and everybody else would have gone home. Some would have gone to prison. But we've swept it under the carpet. We've moved on like nothing ever. The Mradi fire, a gas plant. Guess what? They are rebuilding.
Bura makamano ibiro winj tarik 17 dwe mar 2 higani e doho mar alwora kod lope. Okinda, Ramogi TV.